This is one of 8 hands-on lab tasters from the AI Security Fundamental course, and in the full course, each learner gets access to their own CoCalc environment to explore these labs end to end. Week 2 is all about understanding how machine learning models actually work, before we ever talk about attacks or defenses. You'll work hands-on with 3 core model types: computer vision models, large language models, and reinforcement learning agents. As you can see, the logic is split across Jupyter notebooks and .py files, and everything is heavily annotated. You don't need to memorize code. The goal is to understand what each part of the model is doing, how inputs become outputs, and where uncertainty and error creep in. You'll see how vision models classify images, how language models generate text token by token, and how reinforcement learning agents learn actions through rewards. This matters for security because AI models don't fail like normal software. They generalize, over-optimize, and behave probabilistically. Week 2 builds the mental model you need so that later, when we talk about risk, attacks, and controls, you actually understand what you're securing.